everybody, I'm here at JCat store, Ayala 30th, second floor, for Hello Queen entry for my look for today. So please bear with me and enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to start with a fresh face. Of course, I have a little bumps here and there, but that's perfectly fine, girls. You can still create a masterpiece having those imperfections. And make sure that when you use your hands, ano pa din, malinis pa din. So I have my alcohol with me. I use it already, the foundation. So I'm going to use a foundation which is 8D Perfection Skin Sealer Foundation from JCat. Oh my god, drag queens are using this one, so I'm using it now. Indense Mineral Compact Powder. So this is one of my favorite. Pababawasan. Okay. Try this. Ganda. Ayan. Let's try the color. It's good for Filipino color. It's yellowish undertone. Ayan, we need to build that. Tapos yung pillar part, I need it. Ngayon ko na lang is lagyan ko lang. I'm going to use the konti lang. And then blend it. Pimple ko. It's 3D. That's fine. After that, we're going to use the Skin Sealer Foundation in the shade of Warm Honey. I love how pigmented their products are, especially Mina, who really loves putting color on my face. I really need that pigment color payoff. Aquasurance foundation. I love it. Oh, yeah. What? Nawala, diba? It's so super maganda to for a pageant. Kasi diba? Oh my god, linis ni mom shade. Okay, so now I'm going to do my brow. Brow pencil. So I'm going to line this part, the upper part, and then okay, so I'm okay with that. And then we're going to fill in here. So make sure that when you fill in the brow, the tail is the darkest part. Grabe siya. Ganda. It's so nice. Okay, so now I'm done putting I use this Holy Addiction 104 Chocolate Brownie. Sobrang ganda ng color payoff niya. And I love this kasi it's easy to put on and you don't need a lot of time to color or to draw. And it's really good. I'm going to use this Browlyst. So I'm gonna use this lighter shade to put on. I'm going to get that. Yes. And since it lasted for 24 hours, this will act as my brow hara. Okay, so now we're done with our brow. We're going to do the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this palette. Okay, now I'm going to use the lighter shade of color dito sa outer corner. Just build it. No need to hurry. I don't want it to come. Okay. So yun. And then I'm going to use pink. So I'm going to use this one. Then on this. So I'm going to blend it on the violet. Yellow. going to use a different brush. I'll take this color. Just a second. Okay, now I'm going to use this one, Indense and Dense. This Aquasurance in the shade of Honey. I feel like I'm drag queen already. So that is. Oh my god. Loving quality of me. Pag sa camera, you can see it on the real world. Now we're done with the cheek. I'm going to use the highlighter. A lot more, so back. What? You guys have to buy this highlighter. It's so nice. And we're going to brush it. Now my favorite.